Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss first chapter Indian Constitution class plus 1 art. So in this chapter we will discuss about the formation of Indian constitutions and rights in it. So basically Indian Constitution is an important document that was originally written in Hindi and English. It secures our freedom, justice for everyone, equality and fundamental rights. It lays down framework for government to be democratic and decide the duties of civil service officers. So now we'll talk about the formation. So on the 6th December 1946, Constituent Assembly was formed with 389 members. 1946 में इसकी एक समिति बनाई गई जिसके अंदर 389 मेंबर थे, but after partition there were only 289 members. Among those, 284 signed on Indian Constitution. आज़ादी से पहले इस समिति में 389 मेंबर्स थे, बट 100 मेंबर्स पाकिस्तान बनने के बाद कम हो गए थे, जो कि पाकिस्तान में चले गए थे. राजेंद्र प्रसाद was the chairperson of Constituent Assembly. So on 9 December 1906, its first meeting was held. J.P. Kripalani was first person to address. Muslim League, although boycotted this meeting. Again on 13 December 1946, Jawaharlal Nehru presented objective resolution that became preamble later. Preamble, we can say, a short summary about our constitution that tells us about the rights in it. Dr. Ambedkar was chairman of drafting committee, we can say. On 24th January 1947, last meeting about the constitution and its formation was held. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was chief architect of our constitution. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete it, and there was total 64 million rupees to finish the task of Indian Constitution. Original Constitution is handwritten by Prem Bihari Narayan Rayjada. Its each page is decorated with artists from Shanti Niketan established by Tagore. Our Indian Constitution sets 3 branches of government body: legislature, executive and judiciary. This government body has equal power. Our Indian Constitution came into being on 26 January 1950. If we talk about the feature of Indian Constitution, तो हमने अपने संविधान में हर देश, वर्ल्ड के हर देश से कुछ ना कुछ अडॉप्ट किया है. सो वी कैन से आर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अ बैग ऑफ बोरोइंग्स. सो वी कैन से आर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज़ अ बैग ऑफ बोरोइंग एज वी हैव taken material from various country and their constitutions. From UK, we borrowed parliamentary government system, concept of single citizenship and rule of law. From United States, we adopted Bill of Rights, federal structure of government, independent judiciary and separation of powers, judicial review. Judicial review means a court, mainly Supreme Court, can change its decision. So from Soviet Union we have taken fundamental duties. From South Africa we have taken fundamental rights. There are 395 articles into 22 parts and 8 schedules contain 22 languages. It has been amended 104 times till now. We can say our constitution rigid as well as flexible, because if we talk about rigid, as it cannot be changed easily, and we can say flexible because we can change it with the demand of people, with the demand of majority. So original copies of constitution are kept in a container full of helium in Parliament House. One interesting fact about our constitution is that B.R. Ambedkar wanted to burn it.